When it comes to choosing between wood and faux wood blinds, there are a few key differences to consider. Real wood blinds bring a natural warmth and timeless beauty to any room. The unique grain and finishes of real wood can make your windows stand out, adding a touch of the outdoors to your home's interior. However, wood blinds do require a bit more care. They shouldn't get wet, and they're best kept out of humid spaces like bathrooms or basements. Maintenance involves dusting with a dry cloth and occasionally applying wood polish to keep them looking their best. Faux wood blinds, on the other hand, are a practical and budget-friendly alternative. Made from synthetic materials, they're resistant to moisture and heat, making them perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or any area with high humidity. Cleaning is simple. Just wipe them down with a damp cloth. Faux wood blinds also come in a wide variety of colors, giving you plenty of options to match your decor. They are a bit heavier than real wood, but their durability and lower price point make them a popular choice. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs, style, and budget. Both options offer lasting appeal and can be customized to fit your windows perfectly.